Hi, my name's Dennis. I work in product at Kendo, and I'm very excited to show you a very basic workflow that was developed by one of our power users who's been using the product for quite some time and works in the HR vertical in companies. And that particular workflow is the SMART Goal development workflow. Now, I am not an HR expert, but I have been in a number of different organizations where we go through our goal planning process, and it usually takes several weeks to several months to actually get done. And this particular user put together this workflow in order to help speed up that process and make things more efficient and faster. So this particular workflow is set up to have the AI help you generate a SMART goal that conforms to whatever your company's standards are. So this is a very, very simple one. So I'll just move this little input here and say, okay, what's my goal? Hey, my goal is I want to increase profits. Okay, great. I'm going to increase my profits. I want to do that within the next fiscal year. And my role in the company, let's just say I am the director of logistics. Let's do that. And when I could type in anything, let's see, in the measurements, okay, so I would say if I've actually increased profits by 25%. There we go. All right, so this is just, I've generally said what I want to do. And now I want to make sure that the first time I write the goal and when I hand it off to my supervisor, then that person's going to be very, very pleased with the way that it's written and that it's clear. And we can reduce all of the back and forth that happens when this goal setting season comes around. All right, so again, very simple workflow, but extremely powerful. What's interesting here is it has written 5 different SMART goal options. And again, I as the human who am using this can take a look at all of these different options and just say, okay, well, I don't like number 2, but I like number 3, so that's what I'm going to write. And what's really kind of cool here too is the way that this workflow was written is the AI actually gives advice to the end user about, hey, this is why it meets the SMART goal. So not only is the person who's trying to get their work done, not only is that work are they getting that work done faster in the moment, which is cool, but also this particular workflow is teaching in the moment, what I would call just-in-time training, right? It's teaching in the moment the end user what a SMART goal is and why these goals, as they were written, actually conform to the standard that the company is looking for. Okay, that's great. All right, very, very simple. I hope you enjoyed this. Just so you know too, this workflow was written by somebody and they use it for their particular needs. You may have different needs. You might have some slight nuances that you want to change around. So you can do that in Kendo. You can build your own workflow. And we don't have time to get into exactly how to do that right now, but I will point out this little blue button down here. This is our customer support chat. So if you get into the product and you want to make your own workflow, you want to write your own prompts, it's relatively simple to do, but it can be confusing. We have real humans standing by, ready to answer your questions. So if you were to hit this button and you were to type in and just start interacting with us, then we would have real humans who they understand AI, they understand the product, and they'll be able to help guide you through how to get Kendo to do exactly what it is that you want to do. All right. Well, thank you, and I hope you have a great day.